Welcome to my YouTube channel, Knowledge Base. Today we are going to talk about the login and signing up using Flutterflow. In the last video, we talked about how to create an account in Flutterflow. We went ahead and create the first project. So we are going to use the very first project to create the login and the sign up, as you can see here on the Figma. So this is the output that we are going to be having in the Flutterflow. So the very first part, we have this text here, which is login, welcome back. So what we are going to do, we are going to first come here to login page. When you click on the widget flow, what will come is the where you can look for all the widgets. So we are going to first add a column. This column will contain everything that we are going to talk about. It is the one that will contain all these text that you are seeing here on the Figma. So inside this column, we are going to add the text that says welcome back, login, welcome back. So you click on your widget, you add a child called text. So this child text, it has the padding. Let me first go to my Figma. It has the padding of 190 from the top. So what you do, you come here to padding. It has 119 from the top. It has a padding of 82 and 84, both on the left and the right respectively. So height, it has the padding of, under the height it has the padding of 82, and on the near width it has the padding of 84. And it says, let me copy the text. I just copy it, then I come and paste it. I come and paste it here where there is hello world. I change it to login, welcome back, and the text is it has the bold. So what you do, come here to theme text and make it heading. The size, let me check its font size. It has a font size of 24. So you come and change the font size to 24. So after that, we are going to go to this login. This enter your username, this container. This is the container, and it's the container we have there the text, the input text. So you come to your column, you put a container, and inside the container you put the input text, that is text field. So you come and search for text field, this one here. So you look for, let me copy it, enter your username as the hint text. So you come here on your right, you look for hint text. It's here. You delete this one, then you enter your username and stroke email. You can also decide to put a label text, but for me I don't want to put a label text, but if you want, you can also add it there. So I go back to my container, then I design a container. This container, it has the width of 312 and the height of 48. So you come to your container, you look for width, border width. You look for the width, then you give it width. It's here. It has 312 and the height is of 48 pixels. So this is how it looks like. It has a border radius of 10 float. So you give it a border radius of 10 on all the sides. So after So after that, yeah, it's okay. After that, what we're going to do, we're going to duplicate this one so that we can now put the password. You copy this password, then you come and duplicate your container. Then you enter the password as your hint text. You come to your hint text. Under my container, look for the hint text. And put the password. Oh, sorry, it copied the code. Sorry. It copied the code of the it did not copy the text. Sorry for that. Enter your password. Enter your password. So we are going to give it a padding of, let me check its padding. This one has a padding of 10. No, it has a padding. Yeah, it has a padding of 10. So I come here and I give it a padding. Go on your left and give it a padding of 16 on top, and also 16 here. Give it 16 cloud. No, yeah, it's 10. Also this one we didn't give it its padding. It has a padding of 16 and a padding of 10 here. Okay, so after we go to this text, forgot password. So if you forgot password, this is why you will be clicking so that you can get a recovery email and get another password. So you add a text and change this hello from hello to forgot password. Give it a padding that we can give. It can leave a gap. Give it a padding of, let me say, 17. So from there you come to this button. This button, it has the height of 312, and this is its color. So I copy its color. I come to my column and look for button. This button, I change its color. I come to fill color, then I change its color. Then it has the height. It has the height. It has the height of 48 and width of 312. Then I change from button to login. So it has we also give it a padding from on top. We give it a padding of 17 on top. So after, you can also check how the design will look on different modules. So it will now depend on what are you designing for. But for now we are designing for mobile phone, so we shall now keep on the design of a phone. But if you are designing for Windows, you can check from here, then you do your design basing on the Windows, or now it will depend on what you are designing for. So for us, we are designing on mobile application. So after, we are going to have this rich text that don't have an account, sign up. So this is called the rich text. You come here to your column, then you look for a rich text. It's this one here. You add it there. So after adding this rich text, you will come and delete what you don't want. I don't want this. Plus this, I only want two things. I want this one. Then you say don't have an account. then and on the second text you say sign up. Sign up. So what you do, you come here, let me check its font. It has this rich text. It has a font size of 14. What about this? And this one has a color. Let me pick its color. Sign up. I change its color, text color, and then its size is 14. Okay, I come and give it padding. The whole of it, I give it a padding on top of 23. So we are moving. So we are going to put on this one. It has a line, 2 lines, then there is also a text. So as you know that everything in Flutter is built on widgets. So we're going to have a widget of this line. We have this widget and this widget. So what we're going to do, we are going to put all the 3 widgets under the row. So we're going to add a row here. You come to your column, you add the row. So you can give this row a padding. Let me give it a padding of 12. Let me give it a padding of 23 from the top. So I will also give it a padding of, let me check the design. Let me check the design. It has a padding. Okay. So what I will do, I will come here, I add inside a container. So we are going to make this container to have a width. Our container will be having a width of 312 and the size, the height of 1. Then the color will be black. The color is black. That can be seen. My goodness. Okay. So inside this row we are going to add the text. We are going to add the text that says "or". So what you do, you come here and say "or", then you duplicate this container, or you can add another container there, doesn't matter. So you also give it the same height and the same width. So the width we give it 200 and the height of 1. Also you change its color to be black. That can be seen. That its color will not mismatch with the background color. So this is it. Then the text has the size of, let me see. This text has the size of 14, yeah, and it is also bold. So what I will do, I will come here to theme text style. I change it to bold. So here we are going to put a button. We are going to put this container. So inside this container we are going to put this icon and the text. So what we are going to do, I'm going to first download this icon. What I will do, I will click here, then I come here to export, then I download it. Okay, I'm also going to download this one at the same time, plus this one, because I will all need them. and I will leave the link in the description. If you feel you want to use the same Figma design, you will be free to get the same design, then you follow along with me. So what we're going to do, we're going to add a container here. We're going to add a container here. So this container, we are going to give it a maximum, no, it has the width of 312 and the height of 40. So inside this container, we are going to add there a row, because we're going to have this Facebook and text. So we're going to have an icon and a text. So what we're going to do, we're going to add there a row. So inside this row, we add there the what? The image, because our icon is not an icon, but it is an image. So we are going to add there a cycle image. Then we also add there the text. I'm going to wrap. Okay, so our text say login with Facebook. I come here and I copy it. You move this one, you say login with Facebook. Then I come here to my image. Then I come here, instead of, now if we wanted, we could have left the other one as a link, so we could use network. Since we downloaded it, we are going to use assets. So if you already downloaded it, then you come to uploaded files, but meanwhile we haven't downloaded it. So what we are going to do, we are going to put there assets, meaning we are going to import it, or we are going to get it from the what? The local machine. So I will come here to upload. Then I look where I saved my image. It's under downloads. Then I get Facebook. I open it. Then I come and reduce its size. You see, it is, you cannot see it very well. It's because of this widget. So what you do, you come and change its box fit to fit the container, the size of the container. If it is here, it is fitting. It is extending it is extending to its size. It is fitting the size that it has already. So you have to make it fit the size of your what? The size of your container. So you come and check this one. So now it is fitting the size of the container. I'm also going to wrap it inside there. I wrap this image. I wrap it inside the column that can fit on the left end. I come and change the column size. Change the column size. Okay, I change the image to 50. Yeah, this is still big. I change it to, let me check its size, please. It has the size of 57. So come and say 57. Yes, so that is it. I will have to increase the size of the to something like 48, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. So I will push this text a little bit on my right. So what I will do, I will give it a padding. I'll give it padding of 23. Then the color of the container, the color of main container is, I want this color here. I come and paste container color, fill color. I change it to what I have copied. then the color of this text is white. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate this container. I come here on my widget tree, I right click and duplicate it. For the matter of time, I'm going to then I add a padding. I add a padding of, let me add a padding of 23 on top. Also I add this one, padding of 23. Okay, so I come here and I change this image from Facebook to that of what? I change it from Facebook to Google. It's under downloads, this one. Then also I get its text. It says login with Google. Login with Google. Okay, so we are remaining with this one. So this is the image plus the what? Plus the text. So I'm going to add there a container. I am going to add a container here. So this container is going to be having I give it its padding of 23, but it is a slighter bit. Let me give it a padding of 30. Then I make it the height and the width. Its width is 312 and the height is 48. Its color is white, so I will leave it as this. So I'm going to add inside this container, I'm going to add there a row, and inside the row I'm going to add there this image plus this text. So what I will do, I will add a column. Inside the row I'm going to add a column, and in my column it's where I'm going to put the what? The image. And my image is going to be a circle image. It's going to be a circle image. I come here, I change it from network to assets because I already downloaded it. Then not yet. I change here, I come and get it from where I already stored it on my local machine. I think it didn't import. Let me export again. I have to export it. I come here, I click on it, then I click on export as it is. Yeah, it's now exported. I go back, click here, then upload it from where you stored your image. Then after, I have to change its diameter to 50. So after, I come to the row and I add a text. I think my image is going to show, but it's going to show it's still loading. It's still being imported. Oh, let me check. Maybe the size. I don't know why this image is not showing. Oh, it's still importing. It didn't import. Okay, sorry. Come back. I click on it, then I open it. Let me first wait for it to, yes please. Okay, so I change this text. My text is, it's me. I copy it, come and put it here. It's me. Then my name. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate this text because the text is one after the other. Oh yeah, when I duplicate it, you see it is coming in the same row, but I need one to be one after the other, one to be on top, another one to be on bottom. So I will leave this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wrap it inside the inside the column. So what I do, I will wrap it. I'll wrap my text inside the column. So in this column, it's where I'm going to add. It's where I'm going to add another text, and I put there my name. It's me, Benjamin. Yes. So when you look at it and you look at our design, there is this space inside. So and it's me and my name, they are aligned on the same line. So what we are going to do, we are going to come to our column, the one we have just added, and we click and we come here and say cross align axis. You make it left so that they can all be on the same line. Then you come on your row, or you give it a padding. Let us give it a padding of 30 on our left. So you also come on your row inside the container, then you push it on bottom. Okay. So guys, after designing, we have now to check if what we have designed, it's what we have. So what you do, you click on preview app. It is going to open and we see if what we have designed is actually what we have here. If it is not what we have, then we see what is missing and we add it there. You give it time to first preview. It's going to take it may take like 3 minutes or less than 3, depending on your internet. Yeah, so this is what we have. So when we look at our app, this is how the login page will be. When you look at our app and look for we compare it with our design, it's kind of different. We have here a padding. We have here some padding that we didn't include. We have this box color. It's a bit black. I have to see its color. Yeah, actually it's black. So when you preview it and you see it is not matching with what you have, you come back and do it and edit it. So we have padding both on top and on bottom. Let me say 12. Also we have the color. We call it color fill. Border color to black, and our border color here to black. We give it padding. Yeah. Border width of 1 so that can be seen, because when you look at it, you may not be able to see that there is a border. So you have to give it border radius so that it can be seen. We give it border width of 1. Yeah. So what you do, you come and refresh here. You come and refresh. So right now what you have is exactly what we have on our design. You see, this is our design and this is how our application will be. So what you have right now is exactly the same as our design. So we have finished the login page. So we are going to go to sign up page. So I'm not going to repeat everything here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate this page, then we change some things. So our sign in page, you see it has a text, it has this text field where you have to put your username, enter your email, enter your telephone number, enter your password, sign up. So what we are going to do, we are going to duplicate this page. I come here to pages, then I duplicate this page, duplicate the page. So now we have two pages. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change here this page to sign up. After I click on it, then I come here to widget flow. So we have, let me first close this. We have sign up text. I come and copy it. Instead of login, now we are going to have a sign up text. Paste it here. Okay, it has the same paddings. So it has four things. So what we are going to do, we are going to duplicate this. I come to this container, I duplicate it. Wait, I was duplicating a text, not a container. I have to duplicate a container, not a text inside. I duplicate this and I also duplicate it again because they are all text fields. So what we are going to do, number one, we are going to first enter your username. You come here to hint text and you put enter your username. I just remove this email. Then enter your email. Come here, enter your email. You go to your rich text, then you go to your hint text, then you delete. You remain with enter your email. Then after you go to your design again, there is enter your phone number, then enter your password, enter your username. But when you look for the standard of signing up, it has to be enter your username, enter your email, enter your password, confirm password. So right now we are going to say enter your password and confirm password. Let us not follow the design for now. According to the standards of standard login credentials, standard authentication, it has to be enter your password, then you confirm your password. Then you have to confirm your password. So after, instead of logging in, you say, instead of this login, now you say sign up. Instead of login, you will say sign up. Yes. Okay. Oh, sorry. I have to make it small letters. You say sign up. Then here already have here, instead of, we are going to remove this one because for now it is not necessary, it is not needed. Let me check my design. Yes, it is not needed. So what we are going to do, we are going to remove this page, this text of forgot password. It is not needed for now. So don't have an account, we are going to change it and say already have an account, then login. Yeah, already have an account, login. Already have an account, then login. Of course, if you have an account, now you can't sign up for another account. Now you'll go direct and log in. Okay, other things will remain. What we shall say instead of login with Facebook, we say sign up with Facebook, sign up with Facebook, then sign up with Google. Sign up with Google. Then when you check our design, we don't have this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to come down and I delete it. I delete from here. I don't need this one. I will come and delete it. So after, I'll click here to preview my page. It will take shortest time, like less than 3 minutes. Yeah, so this is my sign up page. So if I compare with what I have here with what I have on my Figma design, wow, you see exactly the same thing. So this is how we create the login and sign up pages in Flutterflow mobile application builder. So in the next video, I will be illustrating how you can create the same design using the templates. As I explained in the last video, Flutterflow provides the templates of which you can use to build the mobile application with very easy in a shortest period of time. You can also view the code from here. You can view the code that you have used, the code that we have used to generate this good UI. You see, this is the beautiful UI. So this is the code. You can go ahead and download it and you run it locally. You can also share this code on your GitHub so that you can keep pushing the changes. So for now, I'm not going to show you how you can do it, but as we continue with the series, we shall even see how you can push the code on GitHub. We can see how you can download the APK and give it to different people for testing. You can see how you can download the code. You can join the community. Then you keep on exploring more and more. So guys, keep subscribing as part of you so that you don't miss anything. More and more are coming. In the next video, I will be illustrating how you can create the login using templates. In the following videos, I will be showing you part of authentication, Firebase, Superbase, and more. So subscribe so that you don't miss anything. Thank you so much. Have a blessed